Welcome to 100 Words for 100 Days. Learning a word per day. I'm sure this will ensure your conversation. In that case, we will keep uploading videos every day. If you want such videos regularly, don't forget to subscribe at any point during the video. Along with hit the bell button for instant notification. Today's expression that you are going to learn is behind the times. Let's get started. What does it mean by behind times? As usual, I'm going to show you an example. I want you to listen to that and find the meaning of the word. Of course, Grandpa doesn't have a cell phone. He is behind the times as usual. What do you think this means? Behind the times used to describe someone is old-fashioned and has ideas that are regarded as outdated. ஊரில் சொல்லுவோம்ல பழைய காலத்து ஆள் அவர் இப்போ இருக்கிறதெல்லாம் அவங்களுக்கு புரியாது. Let me give an example. Maria is a bit behind the times. Her clothes are quite old-fashioned. In otherwise, we can use this word being lacking in the latest information on a particular subject. For example, Joe and Maura broke up. Wow, I'm behind the times. I hope you have understood this word, how to use in your conversation. I will meet you with new words next video. Till then, bye-bye.